We are here in Porok 10.
The Talmutan.
Looking here the pump. What is this? Look, the ants colonize totally.
Brother,
And
you just compact there, brother.
it's a really bad. That is the situation of contactor. You can see the ants everywhere. That's making the contact arcing, which destroy this capacitor. That one. See. Always keep your electrical installations with some chemical spray, pestify it, and then use it. Otherwise, that is dangerous. So this well is more than 4 years. Nobody repair it. So we replace the capacitors. We clean up the relay. This one. The contactor points are clean now. Here is the main magnetic contactor. It's clean ready. It was totally jammed by the ants inside, and also these relays and also this timer. In the previously we clean it up, and now everything is ready. The breakers are here. Okay.
On this one.
Yeah. So Brother Kim will on the pump right now. Yes, perfect. Yes. The water already done, and now we will go up there. Imagine, 4 years nobody did this one repair, huh? And now we fix this one, and we will test up there what is the situation of the pump. Let's go up there. This is the tank, what we repair. The people are excited.
Pawala. Pawala tuyok.
Huh.
Okay. Okay. Pisot.
Open, full open. 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 Full open, don't close.
Lapay pundo. Palungan na lang. Lapay pundo.
So this was actually in the last earthquake that was get snipped, and the joint was get out.
The other problem is this one. It keeps on flowing without this one.
Sorry, I don't understand what.
They cut this, they buy a nipple with this size, and then weld it.
Properly.
Yeah. 2 nipples, even 1 nipple they cut in half, and then they measure this. They also weld it, and then voila.
So that's their job now, na? The
Their
remaining.
job na.
So put this one, connect this one. I think you people can do this one, huh? Okay. Kuya, you can do this one by your people now, na? Okay, we set already your electrical. Now the remaining job is your people responsibility to set this one, okay? About this water tank that was in the last earthquake was get open. It was get open, and now we fix ready the water pump. So now I tell them that's their responsibility. They should now connect it. It's a very small problem now here. The bigger one is settled already. So now they have to do it by their own. And here they are. Say hello. You not say thank you?
Thank you so much.
Okay, welcome. So temporary, they are putting the stone, and they will save the water in the drum. At least this is the school over there, huh? How many homes are here in this place?
Almost 70. Yes, 70 plus.
So 70 homes, no water.
No.
Ah, that was very painful.
Only deep well, bomba, diesel pump.
Understand.
Only if we have not brought our hose home.
Remember one very important thing that we tell you. This down there, the pump repair is totally free. That is not repaired by the government money. If any person asks you that money for this repair, do not pay. That is donation from us. Right, Brother Kim? So that is the thing is here done ready now. That's their responsibility how they fix this one. Electrical thing was complicated. It's done ready. We clean up all connection. We fix the all timers, everything. Put it the new capacitor. Now we will finalize the all joints and hand over to them. Yes, Ate, this is totally free.
But then you should come here.
Yeah, okay. So the things are here settled ready and the water tank will start soon pull up and the water will flow. This school will get a water and all the homes down there will have a water. So once again, thank you and bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yep. Look the water tank of the school. It's totally damaged. You can see. No water, nothing. It's damaged. This is the school, huh? Porok 10. So this is the school in the mountain and you see down there is homes. This is elevated water tank and here we have the pump, this pump in this location. Okay, you can see is pushing the water from here. That pump we repair it. That's our donation for this place, for this school, for these people living without water in 2026 in that school and down there all homes. So it's mean so many families are affected. 4 years it's take, nobody repair and we repair it, that one. The remaining repair of the pipe joint over there, they will do it. Here is the meter of the pump. Let me see what energy is pulling up. 5.5 kilowatt. Okay, we are closing up this one safely.